The level of depth. The normal pulse is felt at two levels of depth, the middle and the deep. So dito sa illustration, kung na-observe po ninyo yung superficial, nasa may middle and deep po yung sensation ng pulse. When pushing down from the top, the first level one feels clearly is the middle level. So ito po yung sa gitna. This shows the pulses of the young organ. So pag naramdaman po natin, this is the indication of the young organs. Having pushed down completely, lift the fingers slowly. The first moment one feels the pulses clearly is the deep level. So yung deep level na po yung sunod, this level shows the pulses of the yin organs. Okay? The superficial pulse is not normal under general circumstances unless the person is very thin. So hindi dapat natin maramdaman yung superficial pulse under general circumstances. However, one could have a superficial pulse in two situations. So dito sa illustration, ito po yung superficial pulse. When the organ which has a middle level pulse position has excessive yang, its pulse will ascend. So yung po yung organ which has middle level pulse, tumaas, excessive yang po yun. Okay? When climatic pathogenic factor attacks the body, causing an exterior symptoms, may symptoms po siya like common cold, stiff neck, aching muscles, sunburn. The superficial pulse shows that the pathogenic factor is still in the outer tissues of the body between the skin and muscles and has not entered the interior of the body. In this case, the pulse should be superficial. So, ito po yung reason kung bakit nararamdaman natin na nasa ibabaw po yung pulse. Next, we go with the deep pulse. When the pulse position seems to be deeper than where it should be, then it is said to have descended. So bumaba. This could be either because there is an interior disease where a pathogenic factor has attacked the interior, or it could mean that the organ at this pulse position has a yang deficiency and has insufficient yang to ascend it. So meron siyang yang deficiency and nag-descend po yung pulse. Okay?